Bullshit.
You're a vlogger also.
Of course I am. Are you a vlogger?
Yeah. I have 3 videos over here. Three.
Tree? Like a tree? What
I have
tree?
3.
Tree. What tree?
What do you call that? 3 cameras.
Kaya ko naman i-post.
One is 3310 camera.
Then the other one.
The other one is Samsung 1110i.
The third one. iPhone.
The third one,
iPhone na.
Nikon iPhone X.
And new brand. New model.
The new models.
So there's a lot. Leonos.
Lot of models. Like Victoria's Secret models.
This is the view going up to the mountain. Look at that.
Like that.
Ouch. Panahon, oy. Hello guys. Mag-vlogger na tang tanang karon. Road trip, brum brum. Oy. Cute. Isa ko yun.
Our road here in the Philippines, if you have no shock absorber, you're liking you are riding a boat.
We're riding a horse.
Riding a boat in a storm. We are going to our mountain bukid to get some vegetables because
What will you gonna do with the vegetables?
we're gonna sell it to the market, the local market here in our town.
Did you make a lot of money by doing that?
Maybe.
Why
Sometimes
maybe?
we earn a lot and sometimes we are tabla-tabla.
What is the blah? Fair.
Tabla-tabla means tibul-tibul.
Fucking shit.
And sometimes